David wants to know, how can I be sure that I exist?
You cannot be sure that you exist. Because you don't exist in the way that you think you do, you know? So the seed in your question is the truth. The egoistic definition of existence, there's a difference between being, you know, or essence and existence. They're not the same thing. Existence is within time, place, space, and being is in a place that is not bounded by that. Ultimately, we don't actually exist. This is we see things this way because we're brought into this world in which we see things separated so that we can learn to unsee that voluntarily. That part of us that insists on the separation and ownership, so to speak, of every separated part, or the chance to own it, eventually comes to see that it was that egoistic intention was never created in order to live forever. It is the basic meaning of temporary. So that we don't exist, but we are for the time being in a developmental world in which this is burnt off as we expand that other quality so that it consumes our entire heart and intention. And then we don't ask that question because there is nothing but being.